PLUG, stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, just observing plug power, this thing is like one of the beautiful bullish things that are just gonna keep pumping and pumping and pumping. I mean, I can quite confidently tell you that I'm looking for another pump. It's just that the price almost delivered to my top, but it never gave me the double break. And then I have kind of a second shot at go, which in this case means that I get rid of the link. Only if there is a double break, I'll still be taking things further higher, because it didn't give me the double break. It was sort of one break thing, you know what I mean? So looking for a re-entry. And if it doesn't quite happen, then so be it. You know, I'm not going to pre-market this a little bit higher. So that's what I like to see, at least. That's great. But like I always mentioned, if no rules are met, then I'm not buying. Like, very simple. And I do have a lot of receipts here in the Discord as well. Like about 42 results. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.